Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to start a YouTube Shorts channel in 2026. Now, Shorts are the easiest way to grow fast on YouTube right now, even with zero subscribers. So let's jump straight into how you can set up your channel for success. So first of all, you need to come here on youtube.com. Then you need to log in here with the help of your email address if you haven't already. Over here in the left hand side, we have the option of shorts. So you can click on the option of shorts and you can start taking a look at the shorts which are basically getting viral. With the help of these viral shorts, you will also come across with the niche that you want to start. So here you need to pick one topic so that YouTube knows who is to send your videos to. The topic can be relating to anything, like it can be gaming, motivational clips, or money clips, or tech hacks, comedy skits, etc. Make sure that you stick to only one style so that your audience should instantly know what to expect. So once you have picked your niche, now is the time for you to create a channel. So when you come here in your YouTube account with the help of your email address, you just have to click on your profile icon. Then you are automatically going to see the option of create a channel. You just have to do that and provide your channel a name. This way, you are going to see this type of studio in front of you, with the help of which you can basically access all of your videos uploadation. Now, once this step is done, you just have to start creating the videos. Now the format should be 19:16, which is the vertical format. Then you can seek help from ChatGPT to write the good hooks for the first 2 seconds. Then you just have to make sure that your reels length is also short in the beginning. Once you have your videos created successfully, you can click on the option of create on the top right hand corner. Then simply click on the option of upload videos. After that, select your videos. Then you can do the SEO of your reels, like you can provide the title of your video, then description, you can add a thumbnail and click on the option of next. This way you can simply just publish your first reel here on YouTube. Now remember that consistency is the key, so make sure that you post at least 3 to 5 shorts every single week minimum. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.